If you've ever tried to turn a thin tube, you know it can be so difficult, long, and sometimes frustrating. Don't worry, this is the video you were looking for. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn thin tubes. When I was struggling, I tried to search up an easy way to do it, and there's something called a tube turner. But then I looked at it and I realized I could do this myself. You know, save that dosh, the cash, the pennies. So prep your tube by sewing down the length, but you also need to close off one of the ends to do this method. And grab a straw and a skewer or anything that emulates those two. You just need to make sure that your skewer easily goes through the straw with a bit of room. If, like me, you are using a skewer though, the best thing to do is to trim off the sharp end because you don't want that to pierce through your fabric. You're going to take your straw and put it through the open end. Your straw is probably going to be shorter than your tube. That's okay. That's okay. Just put it all the way through and then make sure that the end is not tight. You're going to loosen up just a bit so that we can actually go in with the skewer. Push the skewer in gently and then with your other hand raise the material and keep doing that motion until you're finally done. Once the material has gone all the way through, you're going to pull off the straw and then pull out the skewer, and voila, you're welcome, you're welcome. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a very simple thing. I actually had another video planned for today. I want to do a series where I go through basics. I couldn't do that though because this was a busy week, but hopefully next week we'll be starting a series where we're going through the basics of how to make a shirt, a jumper, a hoodie, turtleneck, all those good stuff. If you like that content, subscribe. If you don't, move on. Of course, I would love you to remember as you're moving on that you are wonderfully created. Don't let any situation put you down. Bye.